Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the INNOVIX Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, plug the INNOVIX Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet close to your main Wi-Fi router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the power LED to become solid. Make sure the extender is receiving stable power before continuing. During setup, keep the extender in the same room as the router. You can move it later after setup is complete. Now check your main Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. The WPS button is usually labeled as WPS, WPS/reset or Wi-Fi protected setup. Most routers have this button on the back or side panel. Press the WPS button on your router once. After pressing it, the router will start searching for nearby WPS devices. You normally have about 2 minutes to connect the extender. The WPS indicator light on the router may start blinking. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the INNOVIX extender. The extender's WPS or signal LED will begin blinking. The extender automatically detects your router, copies the Wi-Fi settings, or connects to the network. No password entry is required. This process usually takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Successful connection signs. The extender LED will stop blinking and become solid. Some models may display blue light means good connection, green light means connected, or red/orange means weak signal. After setup, the repeater creates a new Wi-Fi network. Example: main Wi-Fi network is home Wi-Fi or extended Wi-Fi network is home Wi-Fi_XT. These networks are broadcast by the repeater. After the setup is complete, move the repeater to improve coverage. Unplug the repeater from the socket. Place it between the router and the area where Wi-Fi is weak. Now the setup is complete. When the connection is complete, the signal LED on the repeater becomes solid, steady light. The blinking stops. This means the repeater has successfully connected to the router. The repeater is now ready to extend your Wi-Fi signal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.